Hello everyone, I am Vipul Jain and this is the first video of SharePoint education, and in this video we will discuss about some of the new features of Microsoft SharePoint Server 2010. So the new features which have been introduced in SharePoint 2010 includes the new user interface, which includes the ribbon interface just like your Microsoft Office, web edit, rich theming, which includes the look and feel and graphical user interface part of your application in SharePoint 2010. Multiple browser supports. Now SharePoint supports in the new version in 2010 all the major browsers including Internet Explorer 7 and above, and Google Chrome, Safari, Mozilla, etc. Visual services, it has been included a new feature in SharePoint 2010. Then SharePoint Designer, it is a very handy tool which has been made free in 2010 flavor of SharePoint, through which you can create workflows, lists and libraries, and just like everything we can do using our portal. Then we have business connectivity services. Then you have business connectivity services, which is introduced in SharePoint 2010. Earlier in March 2007 it was named as BDC, Business Data Catalog, but the major change has been done with respect to business connectivity services to include external or to integrate external data in SharePoint with the help of using external content type available in SharePoint Designer. Then we create an external list, and the main part of this business connectivity services, the new feature that now you can perform CRUD operations in SharePoint 2010. That is, you can create, read, update and delete the various operations. Then SharePoint Workspace, this is an offline model of a SharePoint server. Then we have rich media support. Almost all types of file formats, for example JPG, GIF or PNG, and other video files like .mov, etc., MP4, they are very much supportable in this version of SharePoint. Central administration, new features has been included in central administration, which we will look later in this presentation as compared to March 2007. So this is the new user interface, ribbon interface, which is actually very customizable, which means you get an extra library tools in the various tabs when you are in a SharePoint document library or in any list. This is the new user interface. It allows the user to select the multiple items from a list or the document from a library. You can perform check-in, check-out operations, versioning as well. Now this is the web edit. On the web page itself you can edit your web page and can change the title, can change the image which is present on the page, and it get a live preview which allows you to change common things, which includes text and images as well. Rich theming, it includes a look and feel part from the site settings of your page. You can change the default theme and include your own theme. At the same time you can create custom themes in PowerPoint. Multiple browser support, as we discussed, that SharePoint supports multiple browsers. There's Internet Explorer, Firefox and Safari. Video services, you can create beautiful images or diagrams in Visio, which allows you to publish those diagrams directly to SharePoint using browser without there is no need of Visio clients now. SharePoint Designer, this is a very handy tool which is having a new UI, enhanced modeling capabilities and workflow capabilities, which makes the life of developers very easy. In central administration, this is the new and improved central administration screen, which has various links on the left hand side, which includes on the quick launch, which includes system settings, monitoring, security, etc. This is the home page of a central administration. Social computing, SharePoint 2010 allows to do the social collaboration part with the new features introduced, and these new features include newsfeed, social tagging, rating, that we can more easily keep track of our colleagues' activities, who we are following, who are our colleagues, and we can share relevant content with them.